Little Mrinalini always dreamt of that in Taj, Mumbai. Can't tell you how excited I am. You are included along. Hi Manisha, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Chinmay say hi.
Hi.
इधर पलट के hi बोल bye. So this is Piyush, this is me, this is Manisha, and this is Chinmay. Chinmay इतना stress में है ना, मेरे को stress में welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, this feels great. So the reason I've started this vlog is, first of all, I would like to say a big thank you to each one of you for showing so much love on Instagram as well as on YouTube. The amount of love and amount of DM and amount of queries that I've been getting on Instagram is completely surreal. I never expected. So the year when it started, I really wanted to start something of my own. But at the same time, I never thought that this will be the response that I will receive from the fellow student or from everyone around who just wants to grow in life. So yes, this is Mrinalini and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you are having a good day. The entire reason for me starting this vlog is, so it is going to be a fun week in my corporate life, like in my office, as well as in my personal life. There are a few events that I am attending. There are a few places that I have to visit, and also there is something very special that I have to go for. Little Mrinalini always dreamt of that, to go to and visit that place. It's not like I'm going for the first time, but yes, every time I go there, it feels surreal, and it is only because of my office. So आज हमारे ऑफिस में हो रहा है personality development session. So yes, we are going, the entire marketing and strategy team is going for a personality development session where there will be people coming from outside of Adani and they'll be guiding us on do's and don'ts in the market that we should follow and learn so that we grow in life. I really wanted to vlog this because for a person who has just started her corporate life, these little things really matter. Like, I really want to let you know that it is just about that one exam and clearing that one, getting into that one college, and the life will completely change. The same thing that I did and the way I dreamed of this. So yes, we are going for this personality development session. I'll try to record almost everything. I'll try to do that. And then on Saturday also there's something happening, like I'll be going to attend an event, a concert kind of thing, a very hyped concert, but not for the Gen Z, because it is completely different. I do not vibe with Diljit Dosanjh and Coldplay. So it is different, but I hope you like that as well. And then there is a special visit that I have to do that I already mentioned, and that is in Taj, Mumbai. So I have to go to Taj, Mumbai. I have received this pass from my office for the work I did. Some of the project of my seniors really liked and they have given this to me. This is not an individual thing, we are going as a team. So and my team is really fun. I really want you to get along with them as well. So I'll try to show a bit in clips. I'm not sure how much I'll be record of the Taj visit, but I really want to show how's the entire experience, what I get to see for the first time, overall experience, my feedback of the food that we have there, and overall ambience and everything. So yes, come along with me. So this is my OOTD. My bag is ready. It is all set. I'm just waiting for the cab to come. He said he has almost reached, but let's see. The cab is here. Abhi chalo, abhi ho gaya sara. Sare videos, sara shoot, everything is done. I'm all set. 6392.
Remember always that your parents are your first choice. To fulfill a lot of your demands.
Hi everybody, that's me getting ready for the show, The Udan Khatola, and I'm excited. I can't tell you how excited I am. Also, there are my friends who will be accompanying me. So come, get ready with me quickly. I'm almost set, already. The cab is booked. अभी I got to know the event has been delayed by half an hour. तो अभी कोई option नहीं है. मैंने cab book कर लिया है और जो हमारा session चल रहा था, I have stepped out of that also. It doesn't look nice. It doesn't look professional at least to come in and out from a session continuously. So if I've left, I've left. I've already informed my seniors. Good to go. So this is the structured bag that everybody was asking about. Where have you bought this bag from? So this bag is a gift from my special one. It is good, it is smart, it carries almost everything. Like it is my little world. It carries my entire world. Trust me on this. सब कुछ आ जाता है इसमें. So that's that. I'm all set. Also, I really wanted to mention that this is that one event that I've always waited for and I've been waiting for so long. I'll try to add a few clips if possible. I don't know if cameras will be allowed or not. I really don't know. So if it will be allowed, I'll add few of the clips. The show is called Udan Khatola and this is by Piyush Mishra. And you know how great he is, how influencing personality he has. It's just the type of the vibe. I'm just completely influenced by him and his personality. I do follow him on Instagram. Here I'll add a picture of his profile if you can go through and relate. So yes. So yes, this vlog is going to be very special because I'm recording my heartwarming experience of visiting Taj for dinner, and yes, it is very special to me because I have been awarded the same. So this is truly a result of my hard work that I have done in and put in for one of my projects that has been awarded. And yes, including my colleagues and me, we are going for the Taj dinner. It is going to be fun. We'll get ready in office. So we are exactly 4 of us that are going. Chinmay, Piyush, Manisha and me getting ready in office. It is going to be amazing because मैंने कभी नहीं किया है, ये पहली बार है. This is the first time that I'll get ready in office and go. I'll surely shoot a vlog from it and definitely a reel for Instagram followers. Go do follow me there. Yes, come along, see how it goes. Big update ये है that I was almost ready to leave. Like I had to go and get ready and then leave. But we have got a sudden work and some of our officials have come in right now at 6, something around 6. So we'll quickly go and finish those meetings. Yeah, so the makeup is almost ready. It's done. Now I quickly have to go and get the dress changed. And also I would like you all to meet my colleague Manisha. She is also coming along and Abhi, she has just started her makeup. So yes, as and when we get ready, we'll definitely give you a glimpse. Till then, bye bye. You can see the makeup, it's almost on point. I don't know, I'm a little nervous and obviously we are excited. Everyone is excited. The boys are ready, they are already down. And yes, the Uber guy will almost be here in another next 5 to 10 minutes. We are good to go. And I'll try to vlog each and every moment so that you are included along. And also, it's time to meet. Hi Manisha, say hi to everybody. Hi. How are you feeling? Nervous? Because I'm dressed up in office like this. So, yeah. So we are looking hot. Anyways, we are looking hot. See, it is going to be a bad night. Aisa we hope and pray. Let's see. Baki pata nahi. Let's go. So yes, we are in cab already. Manisha say hi. Piyush say hi. Chinmay say hi.
Hi.
Idhar palat ke hi bol bhai. Yes, so we have left office and we'll reach there in almost 1 hour. Let's see. I hope we are on time and it is 8 PM that we have to reach there. So let's see. Second left.
अगर फ्राइडे पूछेंगे मैं आएगा इनका बीच में पूछते हैं
He always does that. He asks.
ये क्या करते हैं वेडनेसडे को बोलते हैं 2 दिन ऑफिस है
अरे वो जो मैं मिलता है वो सब देते हैं स्माइल साथ में आगे तुम लोग का ग्लो आ गया है
क्या लगे
क्या दिक्कत है
ऑफिस में ऐसे गरीबों सामान नट सामान कपड़े
So this is the chicken soup.
सूप तो अच्छा है मतलब मेरे को अच्छा लगा
क्या खराब लगा जिसमें मैं वो भी जाना चाहती हूँ
दिस वन
मुझे तो नहीं सूप इज ऑल्सो सॉस Is it that nice? It just feels great. मुझे एकदम बिजोड़ बढ़िया एकदम बिहारी स्टाइल
नहीं आ रहा
चल मैं इतना स्ट्रेस में हूँ मेरे को स्ट्रेस हो रहा है
भाई हम दोनों का तो हो गया हम जा रहे हैं
हम चारों का हो गया Hi everybody. It is around 12:30. So I have recorded almost everything. That moment I was getting ready, we started getting ready in the office washroom, to how we went to Taj. All four of us were there. The entire experience. But yes, at the same time, I'll have to mute some of the part because office के सारे लोग थे and बहुत सारी internal discussion हुई थी and for privacy purpose, I'll have to mute that. But yes, at the same time, it was a surreal experience. And also, I would like to show you a picture that I got clicked right after we finished our dinner. Wait. So right after we finished our dinner, मैं खुद, I was that one person जिसने decide किया नहीं, we should get one picture clicked as a memory. I want to keep it as a memory. The first memory that I created in 2025, and that is this visit to Taj. I don't know if it's visible to you all. So this is Piyush, this is me, this is Manisha, and this is Chinmay. And yes, this is a cute little picture that I wanted to show you all. I don't know, it is shining. It is better from this side, yeah. So yes, this is the first memory that I've created for 2025, and it is going to be very, very special for me. Yeah. So I just kept it. Manisha also got one copy. Because we don't know yaar, we don't know in this corporate culture, we really don't know कब कौन कहाँ है. Every other day we get news that someone is leaving or someone is joining, so we don't know who is permanent, who is not. So it is all about creating memories. We have created one. That's the bang that I have started my 2025 with. I hope I cherish every moment that I get and I succeed more in life.